to Richa's Kitchen Recipes, and today I'm going to make paneer cheese paratha. So let's take a look at the recipe. So these are the following ingredients we need. We have taken 100 grams of crushed paneer, grated paneer, then chaat masala, chopped one small sized chopped onion, chopped green chilli, chopped coriander, some grated cheese, black pepper, salt as per your taste, and here I have already kneaded a dough. So first of all, let's make a stuffing. Now add chopped onion, now add chopped green chilli, then add chopped coriander, now add chaat masala, salt as per your taste, some crushed black pepper. Now mix this well. So here our stuffing is ready. Now keep this aside. Now take a small bowl. Now let's roll it. This is done. Let's roll one more. Now let's roll this. Now spread our stuffing all over the roti and leave 1 inch of space from sides. Now over this put our grated cheese, now cover this with another piece of roti. Press the edges with the help of our finger. Now with the help of a fork, press the edges. Now let's heat our pan. Heat a pan and put some oil. Now place our paneer cheese paratha on the tawa. Cook for 1 minute and then flip it. Now put some oil. From the edges. Roast it well from both the sides. This is done. Now let's serve this. Let's cut this into 4 pieces. Now let's serve this. Serve it with red chutney, Shezwan chutney or green chutney, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a try and enjoy.